Hello and welcome to another Nucida training session dealing with TestComplete, an automated testing tool for web, desktop, and mobile applications. If you like, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel and click on the bell to never forget our upcoming sessions. In terms of any questions or hints, please leave a comment. In this video I will show you how to parameterize TestComplete tests. Unlike variables, which are named pieces of data that you use throughout your test, you use parameters to pass data to another test. Recorded tests contain hard-coded values like strings for input text commands. These tests always work in the same manner and input the same data. If you need to run a test with different data, you will have to update the hard-coded values or create a new test. By replacing hard-coded data with test parameters, you can make your test more flexible and easier to maintain and modify. Let's see how it works. This sample test works on an online store website and verifies that the shopping cart shows the correct price for an added product. In our explanation, I will parameterize the searched product name and its price. The test was recorded for the chronograph product. Let's create parameters now. Now I need to enter the parameter name and type. You can enter some descriptions as well, but I will leave that field empty for now. You can also create parameters from the special parameter page of the test editor. Let's add the second parameter this way. Now specify the name and type of the second parameter. Let's replace the hard-coded values with parameters. I am replacing this hard-coded string with a query parameter and replacing this value with the price parameter. The parameters that I created do not have default values, so I cannot run our test as is because the test engine does not know what values to assign to the parameters. You can run such a parameterized test from another keyword test or script test, or you can run it as a test item. In all cases, you must specify the parameter values before running parameterized tests. Do you have any questions? In terms of any questions or hints, please leave a comment. The Nucida QA experts would be happy to support you. We will answer you in the comment section of this channel near time. Let's see, for example, how to run a test from the keyword test. Create a new test. This test will call a parameterized test. Now let's add the run test operation. Select the test to be run, and now I need to specify the parameter values. Okay, let's run the test now. As you can see, TestComplete is playing back the test with the appropriate parameters. Now let's find out how to run parameterized tests as test items. Open the test items page of your project. Add your test items to this page and specify parameter values for it. Now I can run the entire project or just one test item. As you can see, TestComplete is playing back the test with the parameters I specified. Now let's see how to parameterize script functions. Our sample project includes a test script that already has parameters. Let's have a look at it. This function searches for a product. Here are the parameters. You specify their values when you call this function from another script function. For instance, this call uses the solar string as a parameter value. The verified product price function checks the price of the selected product. It uses the price parameter that is set in the function call. If needed, you can easily change parameter values. That's it. Now if I run the test, TestComplete will use new parameter values. We hope this has helped you understand how to parameterize tests in TestComplete. If you like, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel and click on the bell to never forget our upcoming sessions. In terms of any questions or hints, please leave a comment. To learn more, please take advantage of our other videos. Happy testing and see you next time. Are you ready to supercharge your business ventures? The Nucida Consulting Group is here to propel you forward in key domains such as marketing, software quality, financial management, and digital transformation. Our dedicated experts stand by your side, whether it's a pressing issue that needs immediate attention or a visionary project waiting to be orchestrated seamlessly. With Nucida, you're not just a client, you're a partner. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to never miss upcoming videos about software quality, test management, and test automation. We bring a wealth of knowledge to the table, ensuring your company not only thrives but excels in the competitive market landscape. Ready to reach new heights? Visit our Nucida Group homepage nucida.com to learn more about our cutting-edge consulting services.